Hi guys, I'm Harshitha from Aspira 110 batch. So I've designed Krida app where players find their match. Krida is a Sanskrit word which means sport or play. So this I got this app idea which is inspired from an incident that happened in my life. So I usually play badminton with my friends. One day on one weekend we all went to our hometown and one girl stayed back in Bangalore. So she called me and she started ranting about she's lonely and all the stuff. So I told her that why not you go and play badminton, and she said no, I can't go and play with strangers and all this. So I didn't focus on that problem, and as she's introvert I can't force her to go and play with strangers. So and on other weekend, the same thing happened, but this time my friend is an ambivert. Like he can play with strangers, but when if he is comfortable with the stranger or any person, then he will be open up and he will start playing and chit chatting and everything. So I thought why not creating an app where we can find co-players as per our preference, and we can connect with strangers and can chit chat about our interests, and we can join and we can play sports. So I came up with this app called Krida. So the main project vision is finding a compatible co-player and creating a good sport community, and our target audience are sports enthusiasts and mainly introverts. So what problem are we solving? As I said before, to find a right co-player, and I chose design thinking process because it is more user centric, and then these are my direct competitors: Playo, Racquetball, Lineup, and Just Play and Reclub. I went through the competitors app reviews, and I found these reviews where users are very frustrated about those apps. Here if you can see players, do you know play groups? Play groups means multiple strangers will come together and they will book a turf and they will play together. Like one person will host a game and he will create a group, play group, and whoever interested in that group, in that game, in that particular game, they will join and they will start playing. So in my competitor app, there is a major problem that few people will join and in that play group and they will ghost. So people who have joined and went to the turf, they might feel that players are less and they will not play. Suppose take cricket, there were only four players and remaining people who ever joined, they were ghosted. So it's waste of time for all the players who have attended the game, right? And there are multiple problems which I will discuss in future. And he's Gokul Krishna. When as I said before, in playgroup one person will host a game, right? Usually in my competitor app, host will pay all the whole money of the that slot to the turf people, and whoever joined in that game, no, they will ghost him, they will not pay to him of their share. So even that host will get frustrated, like how can he ask a person like multiple times? So he is so frustrated, and he doesn't think that, he thinks that the turf paying process is not that not trustworthy. And he also told the same thing, that he have some language barrier issues, and he also thinks that few people will be, they will just come and play and they will leave. It will be good if they have if they match their vibe and they suggest something and those kind of things. And she is Buju. She thinks that when she was playing, she faced some misunderstandings, and she also thinks that one of my competitor app, which is Playo, she thinks that the user interface and all those things she finds difficult in booking turf, whatever in the app, and the navigation process. And as she is a woman, she obviously she wants to know about court hygiene and all those things, safety and all. So this is my user journey. Here first user thinks that he wants to play a game, and he starts finding a co-player, and later he somehow through friends of friends or with strangers, he somehow starts playing with some stranger, but he thinks that he doesn't match his vibe, his skills, or that convo and all things. and he again starts searching for co-players, and finally he found one player, and he started, you know, booking a venue and all. He starts playing. So he took so much time to play to find a compatible co-player. So here as the key problem is finding a co-player, I have came up with co-player profile where everything will be detailed, including rating, where users can rate other co-player, but that particular co-player cannot see who rated them, and they can also give badges that he is communicating well, he is he's giving you inputs well, he's doing teamwork, like all those things. And in he can add interest and in that co-player profile we can see what languages they can speak, what sports they can play, and how frequent they are in playing sports. And I also came up with filter where users can filter as per their interest, availability. If they want to play today, they can only search whoever are available today only. And key thing, because one of my user interview, one guy said that because of age barrier, few people think that if I am Gen Z, I find difficult with connecting with who is aged person, and playing with them, because some people will be bossy and some people might be jovial. So I have also added age range, and this smart suggestion feature is app will suggest co-player suggestions based on their interest, sports, age range, and skill level. So for this problem, I've kept three solutions. And yeah, this is the smart filter for finding co-players. After filtering it, he will. This is the suggestions bar. This is my connects, and this is the request where others can request. And this is the profile of co-player where he age, gender, and area the player is residing, and we can rate a player where user that this particular player cannot see who rated this user. We can give badges, early board, team player, networking, and we can see the his activity and his sports and his availability, where we can based on this only filter will be segregates the users, languages known. And yeah, this is arena booking profile. This is a smart filter, and this is how profiles will be shown. And this is the profile. If playgroups have created booked on this stuff, he can directly go to this playgroup section, and he can directly join in through this. And reviews, badges, even we can give badges to the turfs, and here we can see everything about the turf. And this is turf booking process. Here everything he can select slot, selected arenas. Here whatever playgroups I've created, no, we can show the codes here. We have mentioned reserved arenas looking for players. So by clicking this, it will directly navigate it to the play group which is booked on this code. And this is trainer booking flow. User can filter the trainers based on the experience for adults or kids, availability, price, fee range, sport, academy or personal training, rating, and everything. This is the trainer's profile. And as I told, trainer can post shots. And this is play smart flow. Here they can see full body warm up, hand stretching, and everything. And these are my remaining screens. This is my usability testing screens.